Guys, we had a heck of a storm up here yesterday. We lost power for about 14 hours. This top right here, which came out of that tree right there, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the top is missing about 35-40 feet up. I guess that'll be the next one of the trees that come off of it, come down to go on the sawmill. That is a balsam fir. They don't usually live that long. That's a big one. Alright, so when while the saw is warming up, I'll show you what we got here. This is a 5-foot Hunka Red Oak. It's got what looks like a knob on this side and a knob on this side. And that was the start of a crotch, which that's going to come off and go in the wood pile. Well, it'll be kind of interesting to see what we have inside this red oak. Is my tail man ready? He looks ready, don't he? All right. Dry, see if that doesn't work. I think we can cut this at 1 inch. Get something over maybe. I don't know.
That looks cool the way it is. Flip it over. Somebody make something out of that.
What kind of wood is this? Beautiful.
I wonder if you should cut them like 3 inches thick.
No, it'll be too heavy to handle. Already too heavy. Wait. Right. Just leave it like this. Great. Follow me. Let me bring you guys over here and show you what we're looking at.
Got a burl.
I don't know if it's a burl or not.
I think it probably is.
Alright, so we're going to roll this over and cut it from the other side now. We didn't quite get down into the knobs like I was wanting to, but this isn't dogged down, it's just blocked up. See the blocks right there? So we get it turned over where it can't move, and we're going to knock this thing down into 2-inch slabs. Right, we got it successfully rolled over, and we're going to slab this baby up. right, didn't take long to saw that up. Let's see what we got under these humps. All right, guys, so this is what we got. That kind of looks like a branch or something that's under that knob. We haven't quite got down to this one yet all the way. The grain is spectacular. This will make a beautiful table.
That looks like $100 spectacular.
Yes, it does.
That looks cool. Ooh, that stinks.
See, it looks like angel wings coming off of that where the bark was. All right, next piece has been taken off. Look at the angel wings right here. That's pretty cool. Now we're starting to get down into the other bump. Is this grain spectacular or what? All right, so this is the bottom side of that one. Kind of smells like Jim Beam.
How much have you had to drink?
It smells like Jim Beam. Look at that. Look at that grain right there. Isn't that wild? All right, we stuck the tape measure to it. We got 22 inches wide right here. This is really nice wood. Grain is not as spectacular as the last piece, but it's still pretty grain.
Pretty cool right here. See the squigglies?
Yep.
Make a nice breakfast bar.
Make a beautiful breakfast bar. All right, so that's the bottom side of the last piece we just showed you. This has got some wild grain in it. Look at it right there. Look at the angel wings.
Got squigglies in it.
Some woodcrafters gonna make a beautiful coffee table or something out of this. So this is one of the most tedious things I hear about sawing hardwood. Got to get that sawdust off. If you don't, you'll get black specks in the wood. Sawdust draws moisture, and next thing you know, you get these black specks, which is a fungus. It's not boring wood, that's for sure.
I'm bored.
Oh, you're brick.
And mortar.
You're brick. Dumber than.
And mortar. Blood hole.
Do you mind?
Oh, I didn't know you were taping.
All right, so we called that a cat's eye just a minute ago, and then Tim's like, oh, it looks like a cat butthole. I swear to God. All right. Down to the last piece right here. We got some nice pieces out of this. Right here, this little divot is where my adjustment bolt hit the top board and wouldn't allow me to go forward.
Because the Sawyer wasn't paying attention.
Because Sawyer wasn't paying attention.
Too excited.
All right, guys, this is the last piece. Got some pretty spectacular grain in it. Getting back down to more solid wood now. And then we got this piece right here. This is the first piece that came off after we flipped it. Bandit Tim is showcasing it for us. Where's your evening gown? Thanks for coming along with us today. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And until the next one, we will catch you later.